Welcome to Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Wednesday, October 19, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance in a moment of silence.
Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me to stand for a moment of silence.
You may sit.
You may sit. Today's weather is high 66, low at 39, sunny, 0% chance of rain.
Wednesday, October 19, 2022. Breakfast, pizza, yogurt, fruit choice, juice choice. Lunch, pizza pockets, carrots, chips, fruit choice, juice choice.
Today's announcement, self-assistant, should be completed by now. More information on the next steps for parents for popsicles will be coming. Adam will be conducting Phonics first walkthrough for kindergarten through 3rd grade. Remember, this is a district mandated program that should be fully implemented with fidelity. Your students should know the routines and procedures well by now.
All teachers should be allowing students to do a quick daily check-in on the Rhythm app each morning. The SH of the program is being monitored by Central Office. Thanks to Ms. Bertolino, who is constantly using this for daily check-ins. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Pate. Announcements from the library. Book fair this week. Grade level schedules was sent in teachers' boxes. Pumpkin contest. Send those to the library. They are due by October 17th. AR has started over. Teachers, don't forget to go in and set point goals. Library is closed during book fair. Students have access to Maya or for ebooks to keep reading. It takes them straight to AR for the test after reading. This is a great resource to use daily.
Important dates: October 17th through 21st. Book fair, October 19th.
Archery tryouts after school. October 20th, honor walk. October 21st, Kona Ice. October 24th through 28th, Red Ribbon Week. October 24th, also factual meeting.
October 27th, read for the record. October 28th, Feel Good Friday, book character dress up. November 2nd, no tardy party for the students with no tardies or early dismissals during the month of October. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 21st through the 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school.
Happy birthday, Wednesday, Peyton and Law.
Send us your questions. Are you curious about something?
Question of the day. What is the strongest hurricane to ever hit the USA?
The strongest hurricane to hit the
USA was the Labor Day hurricane
of the 1935. It had seduced winds of over 185 miles per hour.
That's all for today's news. Have a
Have a wonderful Wednesday.